If you're looking for a high-performance laptop in 2025, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra and Dell XPS 17 are two of the best options. But which one is the best investment? In this video, I'll compare their performance, editing power, and gaming capabilities to help you decide. Watch till the end before you buy and you'll know which laptop is the winner. Links for the latest deals are in the description. Like the video? It helps a lot. The Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra and the Dell XPS 17 both showcase premium craftsmanship, but they take different approaches in design and build quality. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra sports a sleek aluminum chassis in a moonstone gray finish, maintaining a refined professional look while keeping the weight relatively low at 4.1 pounds. At just 0.65 inches thick, it is impressively slim for a high-performance laptop, making it a more portable option in the desktop replacement category. The XPS 17, on the other hand, leans towards a sturdier and more traditional design, with its CNC-machined aluminum body and carbon fiber keyboard deck. The build feels more substantial, but at 5.4 pounds and 0.77 inches thick, it is noticeably heavier and bulkier than Samsung's offering. Both devices feel premium in hand, with little to no flex, but Dell's choice of materials gives it a slightly more industrial and durable feel, whereas Samsung opts for a sleeker, more minimalist aesthetic. When it comes to port selection, both laptops are well equipped but cater to slightly different needs. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra balances legacy and modern connectivity with two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a single USB-A port, an HDMI 2.1 output, a micro SD card slot, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. This setup provides flexibility, allowing users to connect peripherals without immediately relying on dongles. Meanwhile, the XPS 17 is more streamlined, but sacrifices some convenience by offering only 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports and an SD card reader. Dell compensates by including a USB-C to USB-A and HDMI adapter in the box. But for users who frequently connect external devices without carrying extra accessories, Samsung's selection feels more practical. The XPS 17's focus on USB-C aligns with its modern, minimalist approach, while the Galaxy Book4 Ultra retains some legacy connectivity, making it more versatile out of the box. Both laptops support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth for seamless wireless connectivity, ensuring fast internet speeds and reliable device pairing. While Samsung's machine prioritizes portability and practical port choices, Dell's approach leans towards future-proofing, assuming users will rely more on Thunderbolt docks and adapters. Both offer premium laptop experiences, but they take different approaches to display quality, keyboard and touchpad design, and battery life. Samsung's Galaxy Book4 Ultra features a stunning 16-inch 2880 by 1800 AMOLED touchscreen with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and high contrast. The AMOLED technology ensures a more immersive viewing experience, particularly for content creators who value rich color reproduction. The display covers a wide color gamut, making it ideal for photo and video editing, though its 3K resolution isn't as sharp as a true 4K panel. The 120Hz refresh rate offers smoother motion, a distinct advantage for scrolling, animations, and even light gaming. In contrast, the Dell XPS 17 comes with a 17-inch UHD Plus 3840 by 2400 IPS touchscreen, delivering a sharper image with fine detail and crisp text. While it lacks the deep blacks and infinite contrast of Samsung's AMOLED panel, it maintains high color accuracy with 500 nits of brightness. However, the 60Hz refresh rate isn't as fluid as Samsung's 120Hz option, which some users may notice during fast-paced tasks. The keyboard and touchpad experience also diverge between these two laptops. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra includes a full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad, but the arrow keys and navigation buttons feel undersized, which may be frustrating for users who frequently work with spreadsheets or navigate documents. The key travel is relatively shallow, offering a decent but not exceptional typing experience. One unique addition is the Microsoft Copilot key, integrating AI-powered assistance directly into the keyboard. The touchpad, however, is massive at 4.25 by 6 inches, providing a smooth, responsive experience with Windows Precision drivers. The Dell XPS 17 also features a full-size keyboard, but omits the numeric keypad in favor of larger keys with deeper travel, making it more comfortable for extended typing sessions. The touchpad is similarly large and responsive, complementing Dell's signature carbon fiber keyboard deck, which adds a premium feel to the typing experience. Battery life is another area where these two devices differ. Samsung's Galaxy Book4 Ultra excels in longevity, boasting an impressive 17 hours and 6 minutes in video playback tests. Under real-world conditions, it comfortably lasts 10 to 12 hours for productivity tasks and around 6 to 8 hours for creative workloads. The efficient AMOLED display and Samsung's optimizations contribute to this extended battery life. On the other hand, the XPS 17, despite its powerful internals, delivers a respectable 12 hours and 16 minutes in testing. The higher resolution display and larger screen size contribute to slightly shorter endurance, and intensive creative work or gaming can drain the battery more quickly. Samsung's 140-watt USB-C fast charger is bulkier, but provides rapid charging, while Dell's power adapter, though also large, ensures consistent performance even under heavy loads. Both pack serious performance, but their processors set them apart in key ways. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra features the Intel Core Ultra 9 185H, a next-gen chip optimized for AI workloads and efficiency, while the XPS 17 runs on the older Intel Core i7 17700H, a powerful 14-core processor with strong multi-threaded performance. The Ultra 9 offers better power efficiency and AI acceleration, while the i7 still delivers raw horsepower for heavy applications. When it comes to creative work, both laptops are well equipped, but they take slightly different approaches. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra's 3K AMOLED touchscreen is vibrant and color accurate, making it an excellent choice for photo and video editing. The combination of the Intel Ultra 9 and RTX 4070 ensures fast rendering speeds, especially with AI-driven enhancements in software like Adobe Premiere Pro. The XPS 17, on the other hand, counters with its 4K IPS display, offering higher resolution but lacking the deep contrast and per-pixel lighting of AMOLED. It also leverages the RTX 4070 for GPU-accelerated tasks, though its slightly older processor may not match the AI-driven optimizations of Samsung's laptop. For gaming, both machines perform well thanks to their RTX 4070 GPUs capable of running modern games at high settings. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra benefits from a 120Hz refresh rate, making fast-paced gameplay feel smoother, while the XPS 17 is limited to 60 Hz. However, the XPS 17's larger chassis allows for better cooling, which may help sustain performance over extended gaming sessions. While both can handle ray tracing and DLSS 3, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra's more efficient chip might offer better power management when gaming on battery. Both are top-tier laptops, but which one is the better buy in 2025? If you want portability, a stunning AMOLED display, and longer battery life, go for the Galaxy Book4 Ultra. But if you need a larger 4K screen, better cooling, and a more premium build, the XPS 17 is the way to go. For most users, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra takes the win.